Lost sunglasses.
Emma, I cannot find my sunglasses.
Your black sunglasses, the ones you had near the towel?
Yes, those. I put them beside my water bottle 10 minutes ago.
Let's look slowly. Did you move your towel?
I moved it closer to the umbrella because the sun was too strong.
Okay, check under the towel first.
I see my book, my phone, and some sand, but no sunglasses.
Maybe they fell into your beach bag.
Good idea. I have a shirt, a small snack, and sunscreen in here.
Look inside the side pocket too.
Wait, there is something hard in the pocket.
Is it them?
No, it is only my key. I am sure I had the sunglasses when we came here.
Did you wear them when we walked near the water?
I think so. I took them off when I washed my hands.
Then maybe they are near the small shower.
That is possible. The shower is only a short walk from here.
Let's go together, but keep your bag with you.
Thanks. I do not want to lose anything else today.
Look, there is a pair of sunglasses on the bench near the shower.
Those are mine. The small scratch is on the left side.
Great. You found them before someone moved them.
Thank you for helping me stay calm.
No problem. Next time, put them in the case.
Good idea. It will also keep the sand away from the glass.
Exactly. And it is easier to find.
I will. Today I learned a simple lesson.
Good. Now we can enjoy the beach again.
Yes, and I can finally see clearly in the sun.
Beach volleyball.
Tom, are you ready for the next point?
Almost. The sand is soft and my feet feel slow.
That is normal. Beach volleyball is harder than it looks.
I know. The ball moves fast in the wind.
Keep your eyes on the ball, not on the people around us.
Okay. I will stand a little closer to the net.
Good. If I serve, you watch the right side.
Should I hit the ball with one hand or two hands?
Use two hands when the ball comes low. It gives you more control.
Like this?
Yes, keep your arms straight and your knees soft.
I feel better now. Can we practice one easy ball first?
Sure. I will throw it slowly.
Ready?
Here it comes.
I got it. The ball went over the net.
Nice job. That was much better.
Thanks. I was nervous at first.
Do not worry. This is just a friendly game.
The score is close, right?
Yes, we are only 2 points behind.
Then we still have a chance.
Yes, and the next point is important. Stay light on your feet.
I will try to move faster this time.
Exactly. Stay relaxed and talk to me before each hit.
Good idea. I will say mine if I can reach it.
Perfect. Communication helps a lot.
The other side is serving now.
Watch the middle. The ball may drop there.
I see it. Mine.
Great save, Tom.
Your turn. Send it over.
Done! They missed it!
We won the point.
See? You are learning quickly.
This is fun. I want to play again after a short rest.
At the bakery counter.
Welcome to the bakery. What would you like today?
Hi, everything smells really good in here.
Thank you. The bread came out of the oven a few minutes ago.
I would like some fresh bread, please.
Of course. Would you like a small loaf or a large loaf?
A small loaf is fine. Is it soft inside?
Yes, it is soft inside and a little crispy outside.
That sounds perfect. I also need something sweet.
We have apple muffins, chocolate cookies, and small lemon cakes.
Are the apple muffins very sweet?
Not too sweet. They are good with tea or coffee.
I will take 2 apple muffins, please.
Sure. Anything else for you?
Do you have butter croissants?
Yes, we do. They are on the top shelf.
They look nice. I will take one croissant, too.
Great. So that is one small loaf of bread, two apple muffins, and one croissant.
That is correct.
Would you like the bread sliced?
Yes, please. Thin slices would be helpful.
Okay, I will slice it for you now.
Thank you. I am taking it home for breakfast.
That sounds nice. Is it for you or for guests?
My sister is visiting, so I want the table to look nice.
Then I will put the muffins in a separate bag.
Good idea. I do not want them to get flat.
Here you go. The total is $8.20.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can tap your card here.
Done.
Perfect. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. Have a nice morning.
You're welcome. Enjoy your breakfast.
Ferry Terminal.
Excuse me, is this the desk for ferry tickets?
Yes, it is. Where would you like to go?
I want to go to Green Island this afternoon.
The next ferry leaves at 2:30.
That sounds good. How long is the ride?
It takes about 40 minutes if the weather stays calm.
Is the sea rough today?
Not really. There is a little wind, but the ferry is running normally.
Great. I need one adult ticket, please.
One adult ticket to Green Island. Would you like a return ticket as well?
Yes, please. I want to come back tonight.
The last return ferry leaves the island at 7:15.
Is that enough time to walk around and eat dinner?
Yes, many visitors do that. The small restaurant is near the pier.
Perfect. Which gate should I use?
Gate B. It is on your right, next to the blue sign.
Do I need to arrive early?
Please be at the gate 15 minutes before departure.
Okay. Can I take this small backpack with me?
Yes, small bags are fine. Keep it with you on the ferry.
Do I need an ID?
For this short trip, your ticket is enough.
That is easy.
The total is $22.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Please wait for the green light.
Done.
Here are your tickets. The going ticket is on top and the return ticket is under it.
Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome. Enjoy the ferry ride.
Thanks. I am excited to see the island.
Haircut appointment.
Hello, this is Emma at Bright Hair Salon. How can I help you?
Hi, I would like to make a haircut appointment, please.
Of course. What day works best for you?
Do you have anything available tomorrow afternoon?
Let me check. We have 2 times open, 3 o'clock and 4:30.
3 o'clock is better for me.
Great. Is this your first visit to our salon?
Yes, it is. I just need a simple haircut.
That is okay. Do you want a wash before the haircut?
Is it included?
Yes. A quick wash is included with the appointment.
Then yes, please.
May I have your name?
My name is Tom Miller.
Thank you, Tom. Do you want the same style or a new style?
Mostly the same style, but a little shorter on the sides.
That is easy to explain to the stylist.
Good. I do not want it too short on top.
I will add that note to your appointment.
Thank you. How long does the haircut take?
About 30 to 40 minutes.
That is fine. How much does it cost?
A basic haircut is $25.
Can I pay after the haircut?
Yes, you can pay at the front desk after the service.
Perfect.
Please arrive 5 minutes early.
I will. Where is the salon exactly?
We are next to the pharmacy on Lake Street.
I know that place.
Great. Your appointment is tomorrow at 3 o'clock.
Thank you, Emma. See you tomorrow.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Gym class schedule.
Hi, I saw the class board outside. Can I ask about the schedule?
Sure. Are you interested in a gym class?
Yes, I want to try a beginner class.
We have beginner fitness on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
What time is the Monday class?
It starts at 6 in the evening and ends at 6:45.
That time is good for me after work.
Great. It is a simple class with light exercises.
Do I need to bring anything special?
Bring comfortable shoes, a towel, and a water bottle.
I can bring my blue bottle and a small towel.
Perfect. That is enough for your first class.
Do I need a gym membership first?
You can try one class before you become a member.
That sounds helpful. Is the first class free?
The trial class is $5.
That is fine. Can I sign up for next Monday?
Yes, there are still 3 places open.
Good. I am not very fit, so I want to start slowly.
That is exactly why the beginner class is good.
Will the teacher explain each exercise?
Yes, the teacher shows everything first.
That makes me feel better.
Also, you can stop and rest anytime.
Perfect. I do not want to hurt myself.
I will put your name on the list.
Thank you. My name is Tom.
Got it, Tom. Monday at 6 o'clock.
Should I come early?
10 minutes early is best. You can change clothes and find the room.
Where is the classroom?
It is room 2 next to the lockers.
Great. I will be there.
We look forward to seeing you.
New apartment keys.
Here are the keys for your new apartment.
Thank you. I am happy, but I have a few questions.
Of course, it is normal on the first day.
Which key is for the main door downstairs?
This big silver key is for the building entrance.
And the small gold key?
That one is for your apartment door.
What about this black card?
The black card opens the parking gate and the trash room.
I do not have a car now, but I may use the trash room.
Then keep the card in a safe place.
I will. Is there a mailbox key too?
Yes, this tiny key is for mailbox number 12.
Great. My apartment is number 12, so that is easy to remember.
Exactly. The mailbox is in the lobby, near the elevator.
Is the elevator working today?
Yes, it is working. If it stops, call the number on the wall.
Good to know. Where is the laundry room?
It is on the basement level.
Do I need a special card for the washing machines?
No, you can pay with coins or a bank card.
That is useful. Is it quiet at night here?
Most people are quiet after 10 o'clock.
That is good because I go to bed early.
Then this building should be comfortable for you.
Perfect. I work early in the morning.
Please remember, no loud music after 10.
I understand.
Do you want to check the apartment together now?
Yes, please. I want to make sure everything is okay.
Let's go upstairs.
Thank you for explaining all the keys.
You're welcome. Welcome to the building.
Post office stamp.
Excuse me, I need a stamp for this postcard.
Sure. Where are you sending it?
I am sending it to Canada.
Then you need an international stamp.
Okay, how much is it?
It is $1.50.
That is fine. Do I put the stamp here in the corner?
Yes, the stamp goes in the top right corner.
Thank you. I do not send postcards very often.
No problem. Many people ask about it.
Is the address clear enough?
Let me look. The name is clear and the street is clear.
What about the postal code?
The postal code is there, but the country name should be bigger.
I can write Canada again at the bottom.
Good idea. Use capital letters.
Like this?
Yes, that is perfect.
When will it arrive?
Usually in 7 to 10 business days.
That is okay. It is not urgent.
Would you like tracking?
For a postcard, I do not need tracking.
Then one stamp is enough.
Can I buy 2 extra stamps for later?
Of course. 3 international stamps in total.
Yes, please.
That will be $4.50.
Here is $5.
Thank you. Here is your change.
Do I drop the postcard in that blue box?
Yes. The blue box is for outgoing mail.
Should I put it in before 5 o'clock today?
Yes, collection is at 5:30.
Great. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Movie theater seats.
Welcome to the movie theater. Which movie would you like to see?
I would like 1 ticket for City Lights, please.
The next show starts at 7:20.
That works for me. Are there good seats left?
Let me check the screen. There are seats in the middle and near the back.
I prefer the middle if possible.
Row F has 1 seat in the center.
Is row F too close to the screen?
No, it is a comfortable row for most people.
Good. I do not like sitting too close.
Then row F should be a good choice.
Great. I will take that seat.
Would you like standard or large screen?
Is this movie on the large screen tonight?
Yes, but the large screen ticket costs $2 more.
I will choose the standard screen, please.
Okay, 1 standard ticket for City Lights at 7:20, row F, seat 8.
That sounds right.
Would you like popcorn or a drink with your ticket?
Maybe a small popcorn. How much is it?
A small popcorn is $4.
Okay, I will add 1 small popcorn.
Any drink?
No drink, thank you. I have water.
Outside drinks are not allowed in the theater.
Oh, I did not know. I can leave it in my bag.
That is fine if you do not open it inside.
Okay, thank you for telling me.
Your total is $15.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, please tap here.
Done.
Here is your ticket. Theater 3 is on the left.
Thank you. I will go in now.
Enjoy the movie.
Before the English exam.
Emma, the English exam starts in 30 minutes.
I know. I feel a little nervous.
Me too, but we studied a lot this week.
Yes, we did. Let's review the easy things first.
Good idea. What should we check?
We can review simple past verbs.
Okay, the past of go is went,
Right. The past of buy is bought.
and the past of have is had.
Perfect. You remember them well.
I still make mistakes with questions.
Let's practice one. How do you ask about yesterday?
Did you study yesterday?
Good. After did, use the basic verb.
So I should not say did you studied.
Exactly. Say, did you study?
That is clear.
Now let's review some speaking phrases.
Like, can you repeat that, please?
Yes. Also, I'm not sure. But I think
That phrase is useful when I need more time.
very useful. It sounds natural.
What about listening? I am worried about fast voices.
Listen for keywords first. Do not try to understand every word.
Keywords, main idea, then details.
Yes, that is a good plan.
I feel better now.
Same here. We should breathe and stay calm.
After the exam, let's talk about the difficult parts.
Sure. But first, let's do our best.
Good luck, Emma.
Good luck, Tom.
We are ready.
Yes, let's go to the classroom.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.